are born into a world where war is normal. You must fight. You must obey. You must be ready to die. You carry two swords, one to kill your enemies and one to kill yourself if ordered. This is not a movie. This is your life. As a samurai, it's the year 1572. Japan is broken into pieces. Lords fight lords. Villages burn. You are born in a small castle town ruled by a minor warlord, a daimyo. Your father is his loyal warrior, so now you must be too. At age 5, your toys are taken away. You are handed a wooden sword. Your day begins before sunrise. You train, bow, repeat. You don't laugh much. You don't cry. If you cry, your father strikes you. He says, "Samurai do not fear pain or death." You start to believe him. You learn more than sword fighting. You study poems, calligraphy, and how to sit in silence for hours. Honor becomes your air, and soon your sword feels like part of your arm. At 16, your life changes. You are given your daisho, your matched pair of swords, one long, your katana, one short, your wakizashi. They are not just weapons, they are your soul. You shave your forehead. You tie your hair into a top knot. You wear armor of iron and silk. It's heavy, but you stand tall. A nearby lord attacks your master's lands. You are sent to fight. The battlefield is loud, muddy, screams all around. You stab a man through the chest. You see the fear in his eyes. He was just a boy, like you. After the battle, you kneel in the field. You clean your blade. You do not speak. Your lord says you fought well. That is enough. Now you walk the streets and peasants bow. You eat fine meals. You sit in court. You read poetry. You are respected and feared. You are allowed to kill commoners who insult you, but your freedom is a lie. You bow every day. You speak only when allowed. You are watched, judged. You must always act with dignity. You cannot show anger or sadness or love. You carry your sword everywhere, even into the bathhouse. You sleep with it next to your bed. You know, a single mistake could mean death, not from an enemy, but by your own hand. One day your friend is accused of disrespecting the daimyo. You know it's not true. You saw what happened, but no one asked what you saw. The court orders seppuku, ritual suicide. Your friend must die to protect honor. He kneels in white robes. He draws his wakizashi. He looks at you, not with anger, but with calm. You want to scream, but you don't. You watch as he opens his stomach. Blood spreads across the floor like a blooming flower. A second man cuts his head cleanly. It's over. You bow. You keep your mouth shut. And part of you dies with him. Years pass. You fight more battles. You write more poems. You sit through long meetings where no one speaks for hours. You marry the daughter of a merchant. You have a son. You teach him to kneel, to obey, to never cry. You feel pride, but also guilt. You wonder, is this really a noble life or just a beautiful cage? You no longer ask. You simply live. One winter, betrayal strikes. A powerful clan attacks your lord's castle. The gates fall. The fire spreads. You are wounded. You can barely stand. Your son is already dead. Your wife missing. Your daimyo stands in front of the shrine, calm, ready. He says only, "It is time." You understand. There is nothing left to protect. You kneel. You place your short blade against your stomach. You close your eyes. And you die with the only thing you still have, your honor. To be a samurai was not just to fight. It was to live every day under a silent threat, to trade freedom for loyalty and love for duty. Could you have lived this life? Would you have obeyed, even when it meant watching your friends die? Would you have had the strength to kneel and end it all? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to this channel for more lives you're lucky not to live. You've just lived 15 minutes as a samurai. Next time, it might be a plague doctor or a gladiator. This is Past Lives POV, where you don't just watch history, you live it.